we're doing this last little drive before I pull the motor. They're gonna start it today or tomorrow, so just came out to take some pictures of the car. She still runs and drives, but as you guys will see, I will start smoking here once I come to a stop. Driving this car. I think I drive it, but not that hard, so it's an amazing machine. New motor coming in, baby. Gonna get a new heart. Let's go. It's gonna be dope. Luckily I didn't do a pull. There was a fucking state trooper right there. I love this car. I'm so glad I'm gonna be able to swap the motor out. Dude on the truck had to put his window up. He didn't like that turbo sounds. Oh well. Oh no, I was about to do a quick pull again. Damn it. See if we see the smoking. It does it more when it's cold outside. Not as bad when it's warm. So it begins. Car's up in the air. Pain in the butt. Good 3 feet or 4 feet in the air. So we're about to get started. But take the hood off first. And go from there, baby. So, good way not to lose stuff is go ahead and kind of put the nuts and bolts where you took them off of. So we got the bumper off, as you guys can see. Now, time to disconnect the battery and then keep on trucking away. What's up, man? How you doing? Stand over there. Oh, you can check it out. Check it out. It's on Mickey Thompson's.
Oh, damn.
On the 15s, little drag pack.
Oh, yeah, that shit's nice.
Yeah, man.
How many horsepower in it?
It was making 630 on regular, like, pump gas, like gasoline. Yeah. So now when I finish putting this one in, I'm gonna try to go E85, you know?
Oh, E85, yeah, that's how you
And it's gonna hit over 700, hopefully.
It should get up there.
Yeah. Let me get a thing so I can open this up and check it out. Yeah, you can follow me on IG if you want, and I also got the, like I said, the YouTube channel. Damn, I hope you guys can see this. This is so freaking cool. Oh, this is so cool. Yo, this is exciting. First motor pool. Here we go.